Hi everyone, I'm back again. In today's lesson, we will be able to correctly choose between using in, at, and on to help tell when something happens. Today we're going to talk about three very important words. We're going to talk about the words at, on, and in. These words help tell when something happens. These three words are important because they help tell when something takes place. Let's start by looking at some examples. Take a look at these sentences. At. I arrive at 8 o'clock. At. I leave the party at 6 o'clock. On. I go to Mexico on March 3rd. On. Christmas is on December 25th. In. I went to the beach in the fall. In. It is hot in July. Please pause the video and answer these questions. Choose the correct answer to fill in the blank, in, at, or on. Be sure to use any one of those three words for the blank. Number 1, the concert is blank May 12th. Number 2, school will start blank September 8, 2020. Number 3, Father's Day is blank the month of June. Blank 4 o'clock, I have to take my mother to the dentist. And number 5, school ends blank 2:55 p.m. Take a moment, fill in the blanks, and let's recap in a little bit. Please pause the video and check your work. Choose the correct answer to fill in the blank, in, at, on. So we used these three words to fill in our blanks. Let's find out how we did. Number 1, the concert is on May 12th. Number 1, the concert is on May 12th. Number 2, school will start on September 8, 2020. Number 2, school will start on September 8, 2020. Number 3, Father's Day is in the month of June. Number 3, Father's Day is in the month of June. Number 4, at 4 o'clock, I have to take my mother to the dentist. Number 4, at 4 o'clock, I have to take my mother to the dentist. Number 5, school ends at 2:55 p.m. Number 5, school ends at 2:55 p.m. In reference to dates, we use on. When you are using month, the word month, before you usually name the month of the year that you are talking about, you use the word in. For time references, you use at. In today's lesson, we learned how to correctly choose between using in, at, and on to tell when something happens. I'll see you again next time. Bye.